Good afternoon. This is a Town of Barnstable public bid opening for October 1st, 2025. My name is Kathleen Gerard. I'm purchasing agent. We are recording this opening for posting on the town's website afterwards. So we do ask all attendees to keep their microphones muted for the duration and feel free to contact the procurement office afterwards if you have any questions. We are opening one project today. It is the FY26 on-call HVAC and refrigeration for the ice rink maintenance and repair services for the Hyannis Youth and Community Center. I'm going to share my screen so that we can look at the bids together. And you should be seeing my screen now, and I'm just going to hit refresh just to make sure. And again, we are looking at this FY26 on-call HVAC and refrigeration ice rink maintenance and repair services. Looks like we have one submission. And it is from North Star Refrigeration, Inc. We received it today, October 1st at 8:26 a.m. You can see the documents are unavailable because we need to unseal them and we only do those publicly. So we're going to go to our requested information and unseal the documents and so we can take a look. Okay, and you can see as I unseal them, they will timestamp the date and time and who did the unsealing. So it shows my name on October 1st, starting at 11:02. And we'll just go through the rest of these. This project did have 3 addendums, so we'll make sure those were acknowledged on the bid forms. And now the documents are unsealed and we can go back to the submissions and they will be available for us to view. And we're going to take a look at the form for general bid. Again, this is from North Star Refrigeration, Inc. So it looks like their total bid price for the initial contract term, which is the August 1st, 2025 through June 30th, 2026, is $47,114.68. Addendums 1, 2, and 3 are acknowledged. The form is completed and signed. And we'll look at the combined certificate of compliance. And it is included and signed. The 5% bid bond is attached and here and signed. And they also downloaded a form for the reference sheet, their contact information, the worker information. There is a bid table with the unit prices. So it looks like everything's been uploaded. This project will be under review. I will post the bid results in a few minutes, and then the bid table will post afterwards. We thank you for your interest. And that's all we have for this bid opening today. So thank you. Take care. Bye.